Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about the Steam games that keeps on crashing and what are the easy fix for this. Let's begin. Right now, if you're going to open your Steam client and you have your games like 7 days, this is just an example, or any other game. So what we need to do is for any uh, crash that you are currently experiencing that you feel like it isn't about your hardware, your system that is incompatible or in your internet connection. What you can do is go to the Steam client library. Like for example, the game is 7 days. You can right click, go to properties, installed files, and you need to click on verify integrity of game files. Once you click this, it will show a message in here that verifying files 0 to 100%. Once done, it will show a message in here that some files are going to be downloaded and reacquired by Steam. So that means that was the culprit on why your games were crashing a lot by Steam reacquiring those files for you. Once you have successfully restarted your Steam and they have also reacquired those, you can go back and play your game and everything should not be fixed. And that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.